Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a very good oil to clear stretch marks on the skin, to clear scars on the skin, and to also bring out your natural glow and clear white dots on the skin? In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my honest review on bio oil. Bio oil. Bio oil is one of the trusted oil that is formulated to clear stretch marks on the skin, to clear white dots on the skin, to also clear scars on the skin. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that is used to formulate bio oil. I'll share with you guys the type of skin types that are supposed to use bio oil. You know, it's an oil that is formulated to clear skin problem, but it's not really recommended for all skin types. Okay, I'll go ahead and share with you guys the reason why it is good to use bio oil. I'll share with you guys how you should use bio oil very effectively to see the exact results that you want. And I'll also go ahead and share with you guys the side effect of using bio oil, and I will show you guys the fake ones and then the original ones of bio oil. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. Bio oil is a very good effective oil that clears skin problems such as stretch marks, scars, green veins. It glows the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, it nourishes and it moisturizes the skin. It's an oil that is formulated to help the skin to glow naturally. Okay, but then let's look at the ingredients that are used to formulate bio oil. One, they use a mineral oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil, plant extracts, vitamin E, vitamin A, calendula oil, fragrance, and other natural ingredients. Bio oil, it's one of the most effective oil that is being used by most Africans. So if you are the type who is battling with stretch marks for a very long time, you've used a lot of oils that's not seems to work for you, it is good you've come across this video because I'm going to dip into it and show you guys how you should use bio oil very effectively. Now let's look at the reason why it is good for us, or it is good for everybody to try or use bio oil. One, it clears stretch marks on the skin. So if you have a very bad stretch marks or you've been battling with stretch marks, the only advice I can share with you is that you should get bio oil, in fact the original one, and use it consistently. Trust me, all your stretch marks are going to vanish. It's one of the best oil that is formulated to clear stretch marks on the skin. Two, it clears scars, both old scars and new scars. The fact that it's a mild oil doesn't mean that when you use it within 1 week or 2 weeks, you are going to see improvement when treating the scars. You have to use it consistently, especially if your scars are very old. You have to be patient and use it consistently. It clears white dots on the skin. It's a very mild oil that does not involve hydroquine. So if you are the type who have white dots on the skin, you should just get bio oil, use it on the skin very well, but you have to be patient because it's going to take time for the white dots to be cleared on the skin. You have to use it consistently. Okay, and it also glows the skin, especially if you are a dark skin person and you want to achieve a caramel skin tone and you need a very good oil. Trust me, grab bio oil and use on your skin. It's going to bring out your natural glow. It's going to nourish the skin for you, and it's also going to make the skin very smooth. It's lightening the skin, but not instantly. You have to use it consistently, like 2 to 3 to 4 months. When you use it consistently like that, it's going to naturally lighten the skin for you. Okay, and it also makes the skin very soft and smooth. Bio oil is one of the best oil that is being formulated with healthy ingredients to nourish the skin, to glow the skin, to brighten the skin, and to also treat problems on the skin. It treats dark spots on the skin as well. But you have to understand that it's not recommended for all skin type, even though everybody can use it. But if you have a sensitive skin, I will advise that when you are using it and you notice certain side effects on the skin, you hold on when using it. Okay, it's not recommended for sensitive skin people, and it's not recommended for tough skin people. If you have a very tough skin, it means you have to exfoliate the skin. You need to scrub the skin like twice in the week, and with the help of the exfoliating, it's going to make the skin very smooth. Then after that, you can use your bio oil on the skin. It glows the skin, it brightens the skin, it makes the skin very smooth. It clears stretch marks, it clears scars, it clears white dots on the skin, it clears green veins sometimes, and it also makes the skin very smooth and soft. It's not recommended for sensitive skin people, it's not recommended for a tough skin people, but a normal skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it. But if you have a tough skin or a dry skin, you need to exfoliate the skin very well first. Then after that, you can use your bio oil on the skin. But if you use it raw on the skin like that, it's going to take time, like 4 to 5 months, before you can start seeing improvement on the skin. It's not a harsh oil, it's not an oil that involves any strong ingredient. It's an oil that is very mild, and even a child from the age of 7 to 8 months and above can also use it on the skin. But it's not recommended for a child with a sensitive skin. You know, most babies have a sensitive skin. So if your child is within the range of 8 to 9 months and above, the child can use. But if the child have a sensitive skin, please do not use it for the child. Okay, now let's look at how we are supposed to use bio oil to achieve the exact results that you want. One, as I said it earlier on, that if you have a tough skin or you have a dry skin, you need to exfoliate the skin very well. You need to exfoliate the skin like twice in the week. Then after that, you can use your bio oil on the skin. After bathing your skin with your bathing shower gel or your bathing soap or your body scrub, you can clean your skin very well with a neat towel. Okay, then after that, you massage it on the skin. Those of you having stretch marks after bathing and everything, just be patient and massage the bio oil on the skin very well. Yes, you can use it morning and evening. And if you are the type who like working under the sun, you need to protect yourself from the sun, because when the sun reflects directly on the skin, you may end up having a bit of sunburn on your skin. Okay, so don't use bio oil and expose the body under the sun, but make sure you use it very well. Massage it on the skin. It can be mixed with a cream or a lotion, but make sure that the type of cream you are going to mix it with shouldn't be a cream that involves hydroquin, or shouldn't be a cream that is very strong. It should be a very mild cream. Then with that, when you mix it with it and you use it on the skin, trust me, you are going to achieve a very nice radiant skin glow. Okay, do not mix bio oil with a product that contains hydroquin. You end up damaging the skin. Okay, and make sure when you are buying it, you buy the original one, because we have the fake one and we have the original one. So make sure you buy the original one. The original one, the price is very expensive, but the normal one, which is the fake one, the price is very less. Okay, so when you are buying it, you can get the original one mostly from the pharmacy or a trusted skincare shop. Okay, then with that one, you can be able to use the exact original bio oil on your skin. And this is the side effect of using bio oil. When you use bio oil and you expose the body under the sun, you end up having dark knuckles sometimes, because the sun has to reflect directly on the skin. Secondly, it irritates the skin. So if you have a very sensitive skin and you are using bio oil, you could notice a bit of changes on your skin. Sometimes you end up having rashes on the skin. Sometimes you feel some kind of itches on the skin. When you are using it and you feel this kind of side effect on your skin, you should hold on when using it. Bio oil is very good for people who are having issue with stretch marks, who are having issue with scars on their skin, and it is very good for a dark skin person. It's very good for a caramel skin person. It's very good for people who want to achieve a radiant skin glow. Okay, so bio oil can be mixed with a cream, it can be mixed with a lotion, but make sure the cream or the lotion you are going to use is very mild. It's not a lotion that contains hydroquinone. So beautiful people, if you have ever used bio oil before, you can share your experience or your review with us under the video. And please, if you are new to this channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I share a video here, you will be able to receive a notification from me. This is a skincare channel where we give reviews, we give tips, we direct you guys on how to use skincare product. So please do what to subscribe, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you all. Have a nice day and stay blessed.